Hi, if you want to delete secure folder on Samsung Galaxy S25, then you need to go in Settings on the phone. From here, find Security and Privacy tab, and after that, start scrolling down to check more security settings. Then, we will need to simply tap Secure Folder and verify identity. So just scan your fingerprint like that, and scroll a bit down to find more settings. Tap it, and from here choose to uninstall by tapping it. After that, decide what you want to do with your files. You can either move them out of secure folder, or you can delete them with your secure folder. And then tap uninstall. Another way how you can delete it is by going directly in your secure folder, then unlock it, tap on three dots for more info, tap settings, and then find more settings, and also choose to uninstall, and tap the button. And that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.